The problem is not alliteration. Understand that. Alliteration can be a powerful mechanism to help people remember something. For example, let's say that you're given a sermon on what it is to love God with your heart, soul, mind, and strength. You want to say that in order to do that, we need to love God with our head, our heart, and our hands. Okay, head, heart, hands. Super simple, and people basically know what that means. Head, right? My mind, how I think, right? I'm loving God with my head. My heart, okay, my emotions, the whole of who I am loves God passionately. And then my hands, I love God by what I do, right? So those three things, that alliteration, head, heart, hands, can be very powerful. But sometimes alliterations can be so contrived and forced, and I've even seen where entire sentences where first word starts with an A, second word starts with a C, third word starts with a F, and so then the next line, same thing, first word starts with an A, second word starts with a C, fourth word starts with an F, and you're just looking at it and you can tell the preacher was like meticulously looking at thesaurus and all these other sources to make all these words fit. And I think most people just look at that and it just doesn't seem real to them. So alliterations can be helpful mechanisms to help people remember, but you got to think, how important is it for people to remember every point of your sermon? I don't think it's all that important in most cases. The most important thing for them to remember is the bottom line, which again, that's why everything ties back to it.